Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create old wall texture effect in Adobe Illustrator, and please don't skip, watch entire video. Draw a horizontal box shape. Fill color R41, G171, B226. Appearance panel Shift F6. Click on Add New Effect. Sketch and Graphic Pen. Stroke length 50 and light dark balance 41 and stroke direction right diagonal. Again click on Add New Effect. Sketch and bas relief. Detail 1 and smoothness 5 and light bottom. Again click on Add New Effect. Sketch and note paper. Image balance 8, graininess 11 and relief 11. Finally, your old wall texture background design is now ready. Please follow step by step, and it's easy way to create texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.